Okay, let's get to the second floor for the light commercial. In the first floor is for the bigger, size and beauty, and for the second floor we have the light commercial, like 250 liters per hour. As you can see, we are making the massive production here. This is one models. Electronic assembling. This machine is our superstar machine. As you can see, the design is safe for the flow meter and pressure gauge, or protected by the frame. We have the conductivity monitor, or we have the control, small control panels here with the touch screen, also an option. This machine is very suitable for the feed water quality, nice, not bad like the tap water, or a little bit for the turbidity is not high. And the underground water is also very suitable for the customer who have limited space. They also have the pre-treatment. Down here we can get the control, controllers, automatic controller to by the side. Let's check soup. The medium are loaded inside. These control panels. Making all cut off one by one. These are pumps for feed water and the high pressure. This is the adaptive tanks. Control panels. Stainless steel. This is before packing by the wooden case, we can put the forms on each side. The frame will be very safe for long-term transportation, even by sea or by land. It's safe. Also have models and do the customization according to the water quality. All this is semi-finished.